And in your years of experience, what's some of the common mistakes that every time maybe you have a potential client or a client sitting in front of you, like, oh God, not again. Same, most common mistakes that we do.
So I serve a lot of communities, a lot of countries. Because I'm in Ghana, I'll speak to the mistakes that I think our people make when they come. Typically, they would come on a visa and then decide, oh, I love it here. I want to stay. Okay, well, a little mistake, but not much. And then they talk to people who are not attorneys. They talk to people who are not immigration law attorneys. And then they purport to direct their path into how they can get legal status. Huge mistake. Many of them enter into marriages too early, too quickly.
Why? Is it one of the most potent ways?
It is one of the most potent ways. And it is one of the fastest ways. And it's one of the most commonly known ways. Not the only way, there are several other ways, but that's what our people know. So you see somebody come in with a visa, 3 months later, they have divorced their spouse that was here in Ghana, and then they are already married. We know that naturally that's not how people move with their lives, you know. If you got recently divorced, you want to take your time and make sure you don't make the same mistakes again. But then with our people, you see them married immediately, and then they file immediately, and they don't have much. And then when they get called for interviews, maybe the spouses refuse to accompany them to interviews or produce documents that are relevant to their cases. And some of them just abandon the process completely. And therein comes ICE. That's why our people, some of our people find themselves in trouble with the current enforcement with ICE, because they already may have a removal order because they didn't really follow through with the process.